Python is pentagonal number check.
I am trying to write a check to determine whether a number is pentagonal or not.
The pentagonal numbers are numbers generated by the formula
Pn equals n3n minus 1/2, i.e. the first pentagonal numbers are 1, 5, 12, 22, 35, 51, 70, 92, 117, 145. My code throws up false when the answer should be true, so it's clearly incorrect, but I'm struggling to see why.
It is as follows. I would be thankful for some help.
According to Wikipedia, to test whether a positive integer x is a pentagonal number, you can check that sqrt24x plus 1 plus 1/6 is a natural number. Something like this should work for integers that aren't very big.
The reason why your code doesn't work is you're reducing the range of integers tested too much. It is interesting to reduce it using sqrt, but it causes you to miss some values. Instead, you can increase the tested range. Test output. Edit, of course, you'd better use a shorter code, like suggested in Eugene Y answer.
You can use solve to get at a root of the equation generated dynamically using your number. For example,
here is a version that doesn't use pesky floats. Output.